So you've seen ads or maybe a reel about Tutedude offering internships and online courses. But is it actually legit or just another sketchy ed tech scheme? Let's break it down real quick. Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Okay, so Tutedude Course helps students gain real-world skills through affordable online courses and guaranteed internships. On the surface, it sounds great. Their site is clean and the prices are low and the structure seems student-friendly. But digging a little deeper, the Trustpilot rating is sitting at 3.8 stars based on just a handful of reviews. Some users say the content is basic and the internships aren't what they expected, more like assignments and actual work experience. Reddit thread even questions if the internship are truly industry relevant or just a way to upsell students. For the final verdict, Tutedude isn't necessarily a scam, but it's definitely not as fun, as polished or professional as it might appear. It could be useful if you're totally new to tech or looking for some structure, but don't expect high-level internships or job guarantees. Try Tutedude yourself? Drop your experience in the comments, and if this helped, hit like and subscribe for more no BS reviews.